Okay, so today will be the first day I'm doing a full session of the slimming machine. I'm so new to it that I don't even know what's it called exactly. So anyway, there was a guy over here who came for the slimming trial and I was talking to him. So this one's dedicated to you too, okay? So I'm gonna start the slimming machine today. I've only tried it for 5 minutes 2 days ago and I was very impressed because I can't believe that a slimming machine can really cause your muscles to contract. Because so far, right, the only way I can think of making your own muscles contract is when you work out. You know, what machine can possibly make your muscles kick, flex, other than doing it on yourself? Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so before I begin, this is my tummy, okay? Let me find a place to put this. Okay, now I just have it relax. Okay, I know a lot of people say like, Glenn, your tummy not very big lah. Okay, yeah, when I kick, it's like, wow, then flat like that. Okay, but when I relax, right, it's like, I think when you reach a certain age, right, no matter how much you train, there will be this excess loose skin. There will always be. It's like your tummy, right? My own theory is that when you keep dieting and then gaining weight, gaining weight, right? End of the day, your tummy, see the girls are all looking in now. The tummy, right, okay, will just be so overstretched, right? Like such that no matter how slim you are, there will be this, I don't even know what to call it, rubber band excess bulge. Okay, but when it looks like pretty slim, but when I let go, it's always like this, okay? And most of the time, right, when we wear a t-shirt, why y'all keep looking? Okay, it's just like this, okay? There's this very stubborn fat over here, so I'm hoping this machine can get rid of that for me. And not only that, since I eat so much, right? Okay, I eat a lot for my size. Can we really get it slimmer? Even though I'm trying out, I'm not really going on a crazy strict diet, as you guys can see on day 1. Okay, so day 2 yesterday, right, I ate pasta. I ate 3.5 meals, yeah, so 3 meals. Morning breakfast, I ate bread. Afternoon, I ate, what did we eat yesterday? I can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember. Full meal, okay? And then at night, I ate full meal also, rice and all that. And then I had supper, milk, and bread from the confectionery shop. Today, I had 2 meals already so far, and the time is 6:47. I'm going for heavy dinner later because I worked very hard today. Most likely, for dinner later will be 宫保田鸡. Shall we? 楼下呀，楼下的宫保田鸡啊。看到。Okay, I'm gonna have a full meal later. Okay, but before that, half an hour of this machine. Let's go. Okay, so I was thinking of just doing the tummy today because tomorrow I want to work out. I want to do some bicep curls tomorrow for my bicep in my home gym. Therapy is Zoe over here. Okay, she's helping me out with this. Okay, so Zoe is putting on the machine for me. So there's a percentage that you can go. So I told her to go on 60% first. Then slowly up. Starting it can be a little bit intimidating, but you get the hang of it after a while. Okay, we're gonna start. Start 跟讲啊. Okay, starting soon. Start Okay, 60啊. Walao. So she's going 65 for me. Okay, so why is it scary? Because starting you really feel like you're doing crunches. So your muscles immediately feel very tired. Okay, we do 65 for 5 minutes first. Guys, after that. Can. I think 可以 70. Try 70. Okay, let me see how long I can tahan on 70. Wow, shock, man. So if you're lazy to do crunches, right? This is the thing that you can use, beat the gym system, beat exercising, yeah? So it's like a little bit of a cheat in life. Pay money to get your exercise done for you. Ooh. So why ooh? It's because you feel a very burning sensation, like as though you're doing your workout. You know when you do a lot of crunches and you feel your tummy is like aching, right? And the fire burning sensation, right? I'm feeling it right now without breaking a single sweat in this air-conditioned room. Okay, so now Zoe asked whether I want to go higher or not. So I say, okay, last 75. Oh! So, 2 days ago when I tried the 5-minute session, right, I actually went up to 100% just to try it out. Still tolerable. So of course, if you come, right, you want to go as high as possible because it's more value for your money. My last meal is 3 hours ago. Okay, so don't forget, you need to not eat 2 hours beforehand, okay? My last meal was at 3 o'clock. So, okay, shall we try 80? Walao, tomorrow this is going to be aching like as though I did 50,000 sit-ups in half an hour. Okay, so I'm doing 80 right now. Honestly, 80 is a little bit on muscle burning sensation. enough already. So I told Zoe say 80 is my threshold, so she purposely put to 82 for me. I think 82 is my max. Cannot. For half an hour, no, walao. So with this machine, I say once again, I don't have to do any crunches. This is for lazy people or people who are already very hardworking in the gym. Just want some extra help. This is it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in 25 minutes time. 25 minutes to go. Okay, so the girls has been increasing the speed on this thing, okay? So right now, we're only left with 5 minutes. It's currently at 100% now. Okay, it's currently at 100%, okay? So I think, okay, I think after a while, if you keep increasing bit by bit, right, you'll get the hang of it. So this is the live audience. We just took some settings and currently at its highest level on everything, okay? And it's still very much doable. Jessie just asked me why didn't I do my arm as well. More vibration? So this is currently the strongest ever already, okay? And I think I can still like, use my phone and use the camera at the same time. So I think it's very doable. So you want to make the most out of most bang for your buck, right? Go for the highest mode. Ask the therapist here. Ask the therapist here for the highest mode for more bang for your buck. Okay, finished. So my first session is done. Okay, okay, not too bad. I think after the first 9 minutes, right, once you get the hang of it, you can practically slip through the whole thing. So okay, how was the experience? Let me describe after I get out of the chair. Okay, so how was the whole experience? I'll probably stand up later to show my tummy if there's any difference, but I don't think there'll be any difference on the spot. But I'm really not sure, okay? So all the girls in this shop has already tried the machine except for me, so today is my first full session. Okay, I could get up, but it seems like only tonight then you start feeling some of the aches. Right now, immediately, let me try getting up. Okay. I don't feel like I can't even move at all, so it does feel alright. Okay, so let's show you guys how the tummy looks like straight away. Let me see if there's any difference. Okay, I probably can't tell, so you guys can see it for yourself if there's any difference. I hope the camera can capture. So is there any difference in the tummy? Okay, I'm not going to flex anything at all, okay? I don't think there's any difference in one session first. But I always wonder tonight, right, what will the feeling be like? Let me flex it right now. Okay, I really don't know what to expect, okay? Okay, now I shall not flex and just leave it hanging. Okay, to see whether there's any difference. I don't think so. Like I say, with age, no matter how much you do, yeah, in photos you can do this. But real life, you leave it hanging out there, okay? No matter what you do, it's still there. It's this like rubber band effect over here, like I mentioned, yeah? Okay, I want to go for dinner now. Day 3, okay? But day 1 was 2 days ago when I filmed my exercise video. Day 2, yesterday, I didn't film at all. Today is day 3, okay? So, kudos, let's get a nicer and better body. Okay, so after the slimming session, it's dinner time and was having Gong Bao Ji Ding Fan. Pretty full set and progress on after that with slimming drink. Okay, I don't even know the name of it. I just follow whatever Jessie tells me to do, I just do it, okay? Kudos to a flatter tummy, even though I'm still eating a lot. So delicious. Okay, so day 3 of slimming done. Tomorrow will be a workout day for me. Most likely swimming again. Okay, so let's end the night off with this vlog, okay? I can see I'm shirtless right now. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Jessie is showering over there, so I hope the camera doesn't capture there. Let me cover. Okay, so I'm looking at myself now. I don't know if they're thinking too much or not, but over here, you can still see I got a bulge just at dinner, okay? Guys, don't judge me. Oh, yo, I look so fat in the mirror. Okay, let's... Okay, here somehow feels like a bit more defined, I'm a person who don't do any abs exercise, okay? I do like bicep, tricep, back. Okay, let's gonna show a bit, 有吗？这好像有点比较 define Oh, I can imagine these videos are all going online and everyone's gonna watch this. Why the hell do I look so fat in the mirror? Okay, let me just flex a little bit. feels a little bit more defined. Okay, maybe it's all in my mind, I don't know. Okay, maybe it's all in my mind, I don't know, okay? So, good night guys. Day 3 over. Okay, so it's 3 AM. I just woke up because I couldn't sleep. I don't know what is it. I'm suddenly super duper hungry. I do feel a little bit of aching on my tummy area. Okay, just a little bit. I think it's because throughout my life, right, I exercise pretty regularly. So even though I was doing quite intensive on the machine, right, I just feel a little bit of ache. So if you are the kind you don't really do much exercise, right, you would feel more ache. Okay, ache means that in English terms is a feeling of sore. You know when you do exercise, right, after that you feel this aching and soreness the next day or the night. So you guys should be feeling more soreness and aching, which is good. Okay, soreness and aching means your exercise is working. So I'm waking up very hungry, but the feeling is because of the slimming machine itself. I'm gonna whack some bread, peanut butter. Okay, peanut butter is pretty good for people who like to bulk up a little bit. Okay, even though I want to be slimmer in the tummy, I don't want myself to burn too much. Okay, so for you guys who want to lose weight and be slim, right, when you're feeling hungry, I'm not such a crazy health expert, but this is the point where you tolerate your hunger pangs, because when you are hungry, right, that's where your body is burning fat. Okay, but I can't resist. Okay, so I'm going to go for peanut butter, bread, probably get some milk. So if you're really hungry, right, what you can do is to replace with some pure whey protein instead, okay, for muscle growth. For clean protein that provide muscle growth without any fats at all, you can attack casein protein also. This is slow releasing protein, right, that when you take at night before you sleep, right, it releases slowly throughout the night. If you are that kind of person you cannot resist eating, okay, yes, go for your protein, low fat milk, and okay, I can tell you guys all these things, but yet I'm still going to eat peanut butter and Nutella. Okay, oats. Oats is very good for people who want to diet down. Okay, so you can eat oats and take your whey protein or casein powder or whatsoever to fill your tummy. Wow, the machine looks like it's working because I'm super hungry right now. Cup of oats, add a scoop of protein powder. You can tell I'm not the kind of person who watches my diet that well, yeah. But actually, right, the point of doing the slimming machine and drinking the slimming drink is so that we can eat whatever we want, right? Isn't it? My goal is not to have six packs. Okay. My goal is to maintain a slim tummy. Yeah, that's my goal, okay? Not six pack, because I think it's too stressful. I don't want to have to watch my diet until I am like so particular. And then when I go out with my friends, right, it's like I'm eating oats while the rest of them are eating Hai Di Lao. Then it's like such a spoiled spot. No, so I don't want to go to the extent. Slim tummy, I'm very happy already, okay? I think what really makes me happy, right, honestly, is eating these days. So I don't want to shortchange myself. I think for a lot of us, eating the foods that we love really makes us happy. Itadakimasu.
西北上啊！